Hey guys, this is Caleb with Northwest Roof Maintenance, and today we are in Portland, Oregon, working on a tile roof. I've got Jacob down there, and I've got David over here. We are working on cleaning out some tile valleys. So the reason we clean them out is because these guys get full of debris, and it's not a super huge deal in the dry weather, but when the rain happens to come, all of that debris just happens to block the waterway. That the water decides to flow. And if it starts blocking the waterways, then that water is going to start spitting out to the sides. So the whole entire reason we do this is to clear for a way for water to properly flow through the valley and into the gutters down there. Jacob pretty much has this valley cleaned out, but I'll go ahead and show you over here what it looks like in a valley that has not been cleaned out. As you can see, we have a bunch of debris, leaves, dirt, twigs, that have just piled up inside the valley. And over time, when debris builds up, the debris can block off the proper clearance for water to drain, because really all of the water that's going to be pouring off of this roof goes into these valleys, and you want it to shoot straight into the gutter. So right here I have a good example of what we were talking about, just talking about the buildup of debris. Right here it looks like we have some tile chips, large clumps of moss, twigs, a bunch of dirt. This is what happens over time when valleys are not cleaned out. As the rain comes, it washes down the rest of the debris, and it starts getting clogged in the spots where the debris is most trafficked. So it essentially dams, and the water starts jumping over these ridges, and if the debris gets too built up, it starts jumping over the valley metal. Water is supposed to be in here, it is not supposed to be here, but that's what will happen if your valleys are too clogged up, and it starts spreading across the rest of your roof. So that is what we are doing. We are cleaning out these valleys, and what our guys do is we open up these valleys and make sure that the whole valley is exposed. We go ahead and hand scoop and blow your guys' valleys and clean out your gutters so that there's no leftover debris. And then we will start putting back your guys' tile valleys. You guys are good to go.